Chronicle have the weakest song pan the Hill and Gully rhythm. If that
A few moments later.
you see any rhythm the blind boy go pan with you show no up. Uno might have sight, but any rhythm that the blind boy they go pan with you show no saying have insight, something what no have.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Chronicler, Hill and Gully rhythm. We have rifle who bust them one by one. He come like when your mother and your father did make it in the dark.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
People are going, I don't know, one Media Fox funny up, you know. Yeah, man. So, boy, I know. I tell you, man, I'm a big chronic lap and Hill and Gully rhythm, you know. Yeah, man. But I don't know this rhythm thing in a dancehall, you know. I just a bag of hype. Everybody just run down the wave, every little thing. Them not really put no good music pan the rhythm. I just some hype running down thing and all of them thing there. You see me? But we're going to listen to what that brother has say.
Chronicle have the weakest song pan the Hill and Gully rhythm. And Chronicle have the weakest song pan the Hill and Gully rhythm. If that means I don't like him, I'm a bad mind him and has the damn cow fat then so fucking beat. You see any rhythm the blind boy go pan with you show no up. Uno might have sight, but any rhythm that the blind boy they go pan with you show no saying have insight, something what no have.
Jano, alkaline. I don't know that. I don't know. Alkaline is very relevant to dancehall. I tell you, I see him with the DJ Mac Riddim. Same thing. DJ Mac Riddim, Alkaline never go on it, but yo, the way people must say Alka. Now this already me. Some money I said them would have show Alka would have show them up, but you don't know if Benetta Bass thing already, brother. You see me? You not do nothing random, nothing no. You see me? Regular thing. It's just something different. You see me? Enough of them dancehall artists will go up on the rhythm. Some of them just go up on the rhythm just for the hype, you know, not really for the music. It's like, as them realize you're juggling, them just do something fast. Them just sit down and make the rhythm 1 2 day or 1 3 day and come up with some good lyrics and something we can, you know, nice up with some and no, them not care about that. Them know someone knows alright, rhythm there. Some of them all have video themselves and I do song pan spot. Brother, you know mash up your business when it come to juggling, bro. You see me? When I mash up your space, dog. I tell you no. Some of you, bro, you know you not go do good pan rhythm, brother, and you just fall out just for the hype, bro. And worse, you not go say in the video and say, yo, genius, authorize that one, yeah. And you know she going to say pan the song them that pan rhythm. I'm telling you people, but listen what I say.
How you find a killer and go to rock foot? Bro, better than that. What the darkness 5 minutes that, but you want to improve, so? You want to improve so much weight you lose the one little time you in the ice for about 2 weeks. And you have good food and library and all so I can sit and see that. Brother, better than that. Genius, give him a next chance. Give him a next chance, make him come again, becoming new. Now, Bass is a pristine artist. But if you ask me, I'm very disappointed.
What the phone can't?
Yo, John, I'm on my deal, La Bass, how are you? But, man, I know people, this rhythm, this juggling thing, let me tell you what I read about the juggling thing, people. I read said the juggling thing, it bring back dancehall in a musical space. Dancehall was about buying this and who buy this and who rich and who this and baby mother this and ray. That on a dancehall. This is dancehall we are talking about artists, a jump and rhythm and a drop songs and every little thing. You see me? So what going with Chronicle, you know? Chronicle must say I go put one gun song pan it. You see me? You don't know Louis Bennett. Yeah, Mama Lou right now, I don't know. She have to run go in a Gully, you know, because Chronicle I forward with it. You see me? With the berry and all of them, look something there. You see it? So, I guess Chronicle say, yo, I be a girl song, me sip on the rhythm, you know. And I Hill and Gully, you know, I remember say we make boy run up down in a Gully, you know, so I guess him say, yo, everybody I do this, so I want to do something different and I got the gun with you. But, I don't know for surprise still, because I don't know, Chronicle, them thing that them man they deal with, bro. Gun and this and way, you see me? Them thing that them man they deal with, brother. So, I don't know, when it comes to girl song, Chronicle I don't really have no bagger girl song like that. You see me? Yeah, in a real, a therapy man, remember say them man they tell you say, yo, don't love no girl in and then when you look, you see a man girl a kiss up. You understand? So I saw them man they work, bro. You see it? Therapy. But here what that girl I say.
Riddim, where the genius him come out with, if you no can't angle Riddim, no go pan it. I mean, now you know for cramius. Me I tell you straight up now. Understand me? If you no can't manage your Riddim, no go pan it. As much as I want to call myself artist, cause I must see you on the draw. I know anybody can angle the Riddim there. Understand me? If you no decide to jump on the Riddim, come with something sensible, right?
A true mama. Me I tell you a true. Some of them are rush Riddim. And the Riddim, yeah, it expose a lot, you know. It's like you can know if the artist them really can, you know, do something different. But I don't know. I rate the Valiant one, Masicka one, can go on, and Governor. You understand? Them three there, me hear, yeah, them, you see me? Them three that can go on for the Riddim. Them they are the top three. Where I could have say right now. You see me? Where me see I go on and I go on with that thing. You see it? But I don't know. Some of the man them, bro, like when I see some of the man them drop some lyrics, I say, bro, why? That's why some of the time the man them have to keep the thing, you know, cause bro, it's like the more I don't fall upon the Riddim with some madness, it's like it just decrease the value of the Riddim, dog. To be honest, me I tell you, big man level, bro, big man level. You see me? So right now, the Riddim I go on, it'll keep the dancehall thing like active, and you know we talk about music. That me rate with dancehall. Me rate when dancehall I focus on music. You understand? I don't like when dancehall I focus on some drama thing. You see me? Some look a controversy thing when I make no sense of uplift the culture. We can say, yeah, the Riddim them are going with things because they all talk about the music and the competition. For say, alright, who are gonna drop them best project and all of them look a thing there. But some of the man them, bro, the man them rush the thing, brother, because of social media hype and all of them look a thing there, bro. You see me? Man them ready. Yo, put up video. Yo, people want to hear that one, yeah. Very bam, bam, bam. And then it start, yeah, man, them as a hot chalala, this, that, brother. Like, come on, bro. You know, say the genius now got authorize some of them things, bro. You know that. Genius and musician, them man know about music, brother. Some of them man, brother, I think man authorize, you know, bro. You see me? Cause I feel like tone run down the hype is like when I see one sing, brother, I feel like say, yo, this sound good, dog. You see me? Maybe because you don't have no fans and no comment and and you don't know them now really tell the truth some of the time, but I want them thing there. But somehow no, bro, we don't need for the juggling them is good for the space. Keep the place active. But if you not go further on with some lyrics, bro, and some madness, it don't make no sense, dog. We just mash up a thing, brother. You see me? Mash it up. You see it? But you what she say?
Back in the days, we already used to fuck with them. We go along now. You know them saying, yeah. So no, do not jump on the Riddim and come with no fuck with me. Yes, temple. You hear me telling you for now. Anyways, want to take care of my guy now. Bye.
But just hear a preview of the Chronic Law song on the Gully Riddim, and I don't know how I feel about it. On one hand, yeah, something new or something fresh. And a Chronic Law, like Chronic Law never had the wrong in their life. But on the other hand, I never that we expect. Is that a good thing or is that a bad thing? Make us see what the song drop. But just yes.
So people, wanna tell me, you know, with the Chronic Law song, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, Chronic Law song, I think it's a gun song, them saying I go drop on the Riddim. You see me? Because you don't know, everybody I say you and Gully with the girl, them down in a Gully and all that bag of things. You see it? So, I don't know, when the song drop, we hear what go on. But I not like be with my beat out Chronic Law. Yo, John, oh, dog. Remember, say man just a fall out of prison, dog. You see me? Yeah, but when I know people, one can tell. You see it? As me say, it not surprise me with Chronic Life a gun song. The man they been a sing gun song, brother. At them type of man they, bro. You see me? Yeah, them man they not like RDX and I do one of them. And them artists, yeah, and they say that they will make girl go crazy like that, you see me? Yeah, them man they. Yeah, man. You know them man they think they go, brother. Yo, Mark Barrett, yo, all of it. You see me? Yeah. You know them lyrical thing and going and this and that and way. You see it? At them thing that them man they did, brother. So if a hill and gully, I bury it in a hill and gully. You see me? I saw it go. You see if in a blue mountain and rifle a fire, I saw them man they did it, bro. You see it? Nothing different. But you heard that brother you say?
Good. First and foremost, me have to say big up the genius. Good Riddim, good idea, good concept. But I see version drop 2 songs on the rhythm people. You see me, Pumpkin Belly, and also him drop a song when him Feet to the Jungle, you see me, which is a gun song. And I see him drop the gun song and be people are comment and say, no version, this rhythm is not for this and this rhythm is not for that. Listen to me people. I see Chronicle drop a gun song, a preview, and I tell you say, yo, the version and the Chronicle gun song is a good concept, good concept on rhythm people. Only can't tell people what the voice and a rhythm. You understand? Only can't tell people what the voice and a rhythm. Because me as a selector, I would love to play that rhythm in dancehall and play it for the girl them and have a gunman segment on the rhythm too. So here a big up version and big up Chronicle for drop a gun song on the rhythm. So we can have gun segment with this rhythm.
So, I don't know. I guess, well, let's see. Let's see how it will go. You see me? I guess some people I say, yo, the Hill and Gully thing, the heritage thing, is like, if we do the gun thing to it, it's like, you know, they must say, yo, you know? Yeah. But that's how it go. You see me? Everybody are going to try something different. I just humans are going to see whole, everybody are do that. And them are going to do different something. But when the full Chronicle song forward, we're going to see what go on. You see me? I just a preview. You see me? I say it go. I just music, as me say. I want dancehall, you know, and I want some music. You see me? When we hear it, I'll critique it and hear what go on. You see me? But we have to just listen. You see me? And if song a sugar, song I just sugar. We can just listen to preview and see what go on. But I saw it go. Everybody now will do the same. Chronicle say everybody a sing about girl. Him say, alright, him do gun. How him used to. So we're gonna see what go on. You see me? Yeah.
Pan the party, you see me, you get a message. So you message the genius, big up yourself and get fast and confirm all of the song them so we can shell down party genius. But I love you give almost everybody who for song makes sense. Pan the rhythm, the release. You see me? So genius, go and take your time and do it. You see me? Ilan Gully, big up.
So,
Brother, I mean, I think so, you know. The thing is that how much song release on DJ Mac Riddim officially? I don't know how much, you know, but I never plenty. But yeah, we have artists where does voice on it and thing, but it not really official where DJ Mac do video and all of them something they feed. You understand? But I go hear what Rasta say.
so Labas, we see the preview for this song, but what me I go say, nobody drop that the song there. You see what I say? Cause right now, this prove to it, Labas. So right now, you know, no versatility in your brother. You see what I say? Cause watch out. YFL Riddim come out, 100 murder, I give you a gun song. Gilan Gully, all about culture. And the song just start and you start singing rifle already, brother. You see what I
Brother, I not lie still, you know. Yard man thing, I don't want normal thing, you bro. When you go say gun, you know. You see me? I mean, I know right now in Jamaica right now, you can say the gun thing, culture thing right now, cause it's rough. But me understand what you say still. You see me? A lot of people say your heritage and just respect to the, you know. But the gun song thing, but as me say, me a little video I go on. You see me? Me not really too. Me not like the preview thing, and you see me? I listen preview and say, yo, I want you a full song and you go on. If you know, say, alright, if you can go on, if I shaggy. You see me? Yeah, but you don't know people have them thing and them preference and them opinion. You see me? Yeah.
I say, I watch you know, a funny thing about it. Because watch you know, when time you find yourself in some little clash and at them time they know where to prove yourself. I pay shit your job, brother.
John, we man a deal about so dog. John, my brother, we know say man war with Malidan and Jamil them and Ray, and you don't know Alka rubbing out and bag of thing already and Jaja. Dog. John, no bro, but I like that. You see me? I feel him think that.
Pay shit your job when the time you come on to the time then for you know if you start fire some shot. I pay shit your job, brother. You see what me I say? So just nobody drop that song there, brother. Nobody drop that song there. You see what me I say? What you need to do right now? When last you go up on the hillside? When last you check the hillside? Right now you need to go back up on the hillside. Go back up on the hillside with the rat and sitting them and the bullfrog them and sitting and see if you go up there with a pen and sitting and see if you can.
John, no dog. Where you studied last so? Rather there on the hills. John, you man send the man back in the hillside, brother. That man say man just fall out, you know. Want the man go up on the hillside, brother. Man not ready yet. John, no dog. Rough out here.
Right, something good, man. Nobody with that. Nobody now want to hear that, man. You see me?
Yeah, we tired of that now. Every time you come shut up and what you always say, you get a little lock up and you come out so slim to hold your stress out and a fret. You see me I say? So just load that, man. Load that. Load that and give it something different, man. Give everybody a sing more girl. You love going more than woman. We really are teaching you them. Say, all right, you know, you tell you them say they never love no woman and then we see video with you circulate a kiss up woman. Nah, kiss up.
Jano, bro. I real thing matter, you say, you know. Can it like tell you them say, yo, I love no man, but when you look at video and the man and girl that kiss up, Jano, dog. Yo, boy, la boss, no easy, you know. Yo, dog, got it like tricky band them, dog. Man, tricky band say, yo, I love no girl. You look at him and girl that choops up to bomba. Jaja, yo.
No man, I mean, love you, no, brother. So what really I want? What really I want? Give me something, man. Give me something of our culture, man. What element of surprise, man? We say yes, we never know say have this. Song just start, brother, and you swing rifle already. No, nobody don't want to hear that, brother. Go better than that, man. Go better than that.
Chronicler, Gully Riddim. We have rifle who bust them one by one. He come like when your mother and your father did make it in the dark. It's like when you...
Yo, that man beat. The man say, yo, you look like when your mother have him in the dark. Brother, man, them dark out, brother. Man, them go rough. You understand? Man, say, man, good. Yo, Jano, bro. Jano, dog. Man, I do credit like, oh, yeah, brother. Boy, can it like, drop his song, you know? Drop it, dog. I make we see what go on. You see me? If I beat me, I forget for his song, I saw it go. But drop it and see what go on. You see me? You see what go on. You see it, because you don't know. People want to hear what you going to say. You see it. But John, when man say, yo, come like a dark, Jaja.
Your mother did have your hospital, they have you in the dark. When you wake up, you don't see sunshine, you don't see morning in the dark. Chronicler, everything is not about darkness, Chronicler. This is a type of rhythm, man, about that. You get what I say? I don't know how I feel about this. I'm not going to tell you, say, it's a hit. Probably you can grow still, but another type of rhythm, man, for that song, that's Chronicler. It kind of mismatch for me. That not really at me, G. I just want you to know still, is it?
Jano, bro. Jano. Yo. People. When I did chronic like weird, dog. Jano, I don't know chronic like people, them say, yo, you know, bust it 1 by 1 or 3 by 3, you know, dog. You see me? Man, them want you for bust it some girl 4 by 4. Is it? Yeah, man, that's how you think set, bro, but chronic like to do and can do as best, you know. You see me? If I that him, if I gun thing I'm best, him have to just sing by that way, they make you see what go on. Because you don't know that him do on the DJ Mac Riddim. Because I remember, you know, bro, just energy with their own, you know. Or your circle motivate to sing something to my time, you know. So, I don't know. You see me? But I feel what go on.
Yo, no matter what you want to say, a Masicka lead the Gully ride with him. No matter what you want to say, a Masicka lead the rhythm. I see whole heap of people try to go around the Masicka, brother. Masicka make all old people a dance, brother. Oh, you know when song shot that girl, granny when I no teeth in her head a dance to the Masicka, brother.
The man are exaggerating. Man say old granny when I no teeth, bro. Yeah, disrespect the hell of them, so, bro. For prep up Masicka. You know some Masicka song can go on and thing, bro. Why this up the hell of them, dog? When I say granny no teeth, bro. John, how I'm teeth, brother. Granny having the dentures, brother. Can I this up the hell of them, so, dog? You see me? I say a thing, bro. Gully itself make them people a dance a long time, brother. So I don't know what you talk about. Or the Riddim, brother, make them a dance. The Riddim. Yeah. That's how it go.
Everybody a dance to the Masicka, brother. So you know when song shot. When old lady, young people, middle age, name it, all baby, I run with the song, brother. Come on, nobody now lead the Masicka. Masicka lead the Riddim, dog. And everybody else wanna, every other song wanna try to put against the Masicka. It nah go hurt, bro. A Masicka lead the Riddim.
I don't know why Mafia crash out still till now, dog. Because if Masicka lead the Riddim, brother, you don't need that for forward out and crash out, bro. Masicka lead, brother. You see me? You don't know why I feel crash out, so, dog. I'm music, you know, brother. I'm music, dog. You know, say maybe a Crux fan still, but I saw it go, brother. I just one of them things, you see me? But people, when you don't know one media facts, man, you big up on yourself, you know. You man, respect for your support. That is it.